we're going to
Come on.
bake a cake.
Yeah.
Baking a cake with my kids. So, naka-apron ako pero nakapang-workout ako. So anyway, I've prepared the baking pans. This is the cake pans that I'm going to use. I've already prepared all the stuff that we need. So we have 3 large eggs, 2.5 cups of sugar, 1 cup of coffee. So I use the Nescafe instant coffee and then a hot water. And then I have 2 cups of flour. This is 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And this is 1 teaspoon salt. This is 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And you also need 2 teaspoons of vanilla depending on your taste or your preference. I have a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. This is Hershey's. A canola oil. So this is a 1/2 cup of canola oil. And don't forget the sour cream. We need 1/2 cup of this one. So I'm gonna make my children do this for me. So Jarvis, can you please crack the eggs first?
Crack eggs.
Okay, so you put it here. So, ako na muna yung magka-crack ng eggs, ha? So, first things we do is to combine the eggs, 3 eggs, and then the oil,
And then
beat the egg, and the oil and the sugar combined. So I'm just gonna guide you first, guys. It's not an easy thing to do. You need an adult. If the kids are watching, you need an adult to guide you in baking. Of course, if you know the step by step, it means that sooner or later you know how to prepare yourself with baking, and ask your parents to help you when using something like this, because it has to use electricity and it's not easy for you kids to operate this. You have to have your parents or an adult around, okay? And then you also have to add sugar. So this is 2.5 cups of sugar.
according to my calculations, cake is baked by baking.
Wow!
Really?
Yeah.
Baked by bakeries. So basically what you're adding together is the wet ingredients first. So combine it well. Also mix the coffee.
And then the cake will, and then like the stuff will mix, and then it will turn gray.
So if you can see the consistency, it has to be creamy like that. You see? It has to be creamy
Yeah.
when you beat it. And then you combine the coffee and also just make sure it's combined together. And then we're gonna also add sour cream.
Sour cream. It almost got in my Mario shirt.
Just half cup of this one.
Sour cream. Sour cream makes cake even more gooder.
Gooder. There's no word such as gooder. It's an adjective. Alright, so you combine it together. So what we're going to do now is to set aside some of the stuff. And this is the flour. So first, what we're gonna do is to sift the cocoa powder.
The cocoa powder, you just need to pour this into the cocoa powder.
And then add the baking powder.
Baking powder.
Sift it also.
And then this.
Also the salt. So we're adding all the dry ingredients together. The baking soda. No, not yet. Okay. So Gavin, can you pour it here?
Yeah.
Carefully and slowly, carefully. I've already preheated the oven into 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's around 165
Whoa!
Celsius.
Mommy, it looks like snow.
So you're just gonna mix it all together.
It looks like snow. But inside it is dirt.
Okay. So this is the easiest ingredient that we could find on the internet. So I forgot to mention, well, Kuya, can you hold it? I forgot to mention that I have to also put everything here. Combine the wet and dry ingredients together. Alright.
Then, like so.
And don't forget the vanilla.
Yeah, vanilla.
Vanilla makes the chocolate taste better.
Yeah.
So we have to use this measuring spoon. I'm gonna put like 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So that's enough, I think. So mix it all together. Again, I've already prepared the oven. Preheated it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Kuya, make it like this.
It smells nice.
See? Looks like chocolate.
Yeah, it looks like chocolate.
Alright. So I think that's it. What we're gonna do now is to bake it inside the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the size of the pan. So the pan is small, so I already lined it with the parchment paper. Hang on, just 1 minute. I'm gonna get the butter spray.
This is so fun.
The butter spray will make it easy for us to pop out the cake when it's already cooked. So we're just gonna divide it into 3.
Because some visitors maybe are coming.
So ito na po yung ating chocolate cake na kinaveran ko lang siya ng partial ice cream kasi I'm planning to decorate it with the buttercream with different colors and different styles. So I'll show you the end product later. Pero so far, ito na po yung finished cake.
And then it will look like Kirby.
Yes. Thank you for helping me, guys.
I'm gonna make it look Kirby.
Next time, we're gonna teach you the formal way, ha? But now it's a freestyle.
Free for all.
Yeah.